Hello, today I want to talk to you about how to make money with email marketing. And this is a really effective way to make money online, and it doesn't take a lot of technical skill or a lot of money to actually get this set up and going. So first, let's just kind of do a quick overview. This is a very simple diagram of a email funnel. Easy to set up. I'll show you exactly how to do that. I'm going to show you how to do this really for free, and how to get everything that you need to do this. But it's really very simple. You're going to create have a squeeze page made. I'll show you how to get those made for free. And this is where people are going to opt in with their email. And then you can have upsell offers or you don't necessarily need them. But really the follow-up email sequences that are going to be sent out to your email subscribers are where you're going to be making money. Now this just shows 7 emails, but you could load up literally dozens, if not hundreds, of emails that will automatically go out over weeks and months and really even years if you wanted to. So what do you need to get started with email marketing? Well, you're going to need an opt-in page because that is going to allow you to collect your emails. There's lots of different opt-in page builders out there. You can do it through WordPress. You can do it through ClickFunnels. You can do it through a lot of different things, but I'm going to show you how you can get really high quality opt-in pages for free. Okay. Next, you're going to need, you definitely need to have an email autoresponder because that's how you're going to create your opt-ins and collect your emails and also send out those automated follow-up messages. And again, I'm going to show you how you can get that started for free as well. And then you're going to need the follow-up email messages. Okay. And if you like to write, then you can certainly create those yourself, or I'm going to show you how you can get done for you email swipes. So they're written, they're professionally written, and they're written in a way to help people click and encourage them to get whatever the product is being promoted. And then lastly, you are going to definitely need, if you're not used to email marketing, you're going to need some training. So let's hop over. And first, I just want to talk to you real quick about the training. This is a great email marketing course from Kevin Fahey. It's his Email on Fire system. He makes a very nice online living through email marketing, and he really knows the ins and outs. And so if you need some help getting started with email marketing, I'll leave a link for this in the description box below. Go check it out. Definitely worth your time and effort to look and pick this up if you need help with email marketing. So let's talk about the first thing that we need on our list. We need an opt-in page, right? So I'm going to go over to something called ListInfinity. I'm inside my ListInfinity account. You can, ListInfinity, they have a free account, and then there's a couple upgrade, their starter, which is $10 one-time payment, and their pro, which is a $100 one-time payment. You don't necessarily need to upgrade. Even with a free account, you get access to 14 different opt-in pages that are done for you. And these are very nice. They're very good quality. Here's one example. You just send your traffic to this opt-in page. You don't have to make it. They host it for you. You just connect it to your email autoresponder. And when people put their email in, they'll get added to your email list, and then they will be presented with the ListInfinity offer, so they can create a free account, or they can do a $10 or $100 account. Those again are just one-time payments, and that actually gets paid instantly to you, to your PayPal or Stripe account, which is pretty nice. You don't split commissions, and you don't have to wait to get paid. So ListInfinity, I would definitely recommend to take advantage of the free opt-in pages that they offer you, and it's free to get started. So I'll leave a link for that down below. Now, next you are going to need an email autoresponder. There's really two main ones that I recommend, Aweber or GetResponse. These are both very friendly to affiliate marketing. There are others out there on the market, but some of them really do not like affiliate links and are known for closing down accounts really without much warning. So I would go with either Aweber or GetResponse. If you go to their pricing, they both do have free plans that you can start with. Okay, they both are up to 500 subscribers, and then you can upgrade from there. But It can be as little as about $15 or $16 a month. So really not very expensive to have an email autoresponder. And you're definitely going to need an email autoresponder because that's how when people opt in, they're going to. So in List Infinity, when you set up your system, you're going to connect your autoresponder. And List Infinity does work with either Aweber or GetResponse. And so you definitely have to have email autoresponder to collect that email from your opt-in page and then to be able to send out automated messages to your subscribers. Okay? And so then that raises the question, well, where do you get these email messages? Well, List Infinity is actually going to provide you with the follow-up, your import your email campaign. So if you have Aweber, they actually give you 30 days of email follow-ups that you can import into Aweber or manually enter into GetResponse. Okay, and so as far as the email messages, List Infinity is going to give you 30 messages. And then there's several good done-for-you swipes that you can get. I'll leave a link for all of this down in the description box below. This is from a product called Super Sales Machine. They really have a lot of great stuff. But here you can go in and you can, just by giving your email, get access to 258 email swipes. Okay, and so you can add those. If you decided to add all those to your email autoresponder, that'd be almost a year's worth, right? So that's a way to get email swipe messages. And then there's a lot of really good done for you products that promote specific things. These are from Lee Murray. He has a really engaging writing style that I like, and he creates a lot of done for you email swipes. Okay, and they're all based around $10 to $13, so not very expensive. This is called his recurring income kit, and so these emails are going to promote recurring products that people need for their online business, and so that's things like ClickBank. It's going to promote what we just talked about, Aweber, GetResponse. ClickMagic, and these other products. Okay, so this is a nice one, and with this for $13, you get 30 emails that you upload into your autoresponder. Okay, and so if you were to get so from that Super Sales Machine link, you could get 258 messages that you could add. This recurring income kit, RIK, you're going to get another 30 messages, so they're another month worth. If you go to his, what he calls his high ticket affiliate commission list, now this is nice because these emails all promote just high ticket products, okay? Products that pay out commissions of $500, $1,000, etc. And you're going to get 30 done for you emails for this. And so if you promote his high ticket kit, or if you buy his high ticket kit, you're going to get another 30 email messages from that. I do own all these email swipes. And then here's another one of his. This one is promoting traffic, okay? And everybody online needs traffic, right? So same thing here. When you buy this, it's going to promote different traffic services, and you're going to get another 30 email messages that you can upload into your autoresponder for leads. And so his traffic, what's called traffic kit, is another 30. So just from the links I'm providing you, you can get 30, 60, 90, 120 plus 258. You could have all the follow-up email messages that you want. And so when people opt into your free opt-in page that you get from List Infinity, then they just start sending out the emails automatically. They just go out, they go out, they go out. You don't have to do anything about it with it. And then not everybody's going to buy from every email, obviously, just like you wouldn't buy. But you're going to find, some where you're interested, and you are going to make a purchase, and then you earn a commission from that. So I hope you found this helpful, this overview of how to make money with email marketing. And again, I'll leave a link in the description box down below for all the products that I talked about in this video in case you want to check them out. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found this helpful. Leave a thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe so you can make sure you get more information as it comes out.